Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 you never feel happy. No, until you try, you never feel happy. Never feel. All I gotta do is put my mind to this. Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that. I like all my exes with 2 lines through them. Everybody tryna f it, but I'm fine with that. I never mind, girl, that's just you. I know you work hard for your. You know they gon' hate. Just don't play no part in this. They should call me James, cause I'm going hard in this. We're just so much smarter than them. Maybe I just needed you around me. Drank a lot tonight, I know. She can drive your car and you can roll. Take you where you wanna go. First off, I'ma start by saying this. Goddamn, goddamn. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my way? But first off, I'ma start by saying this.
Girl, I got the mojo. See you, double tap the photo. She ain't in the logos. Living single like Maxine. I'ma have a scene like Coco. In the knees. Can't cut me, please. You know who the car when your man do rob. Too smart, no lacy. Cause I'm up 000 comma. What you looking for a sponsor? You gon' have to ride this anaconda.
Give it up for Hadley, Poesy, and Ashley.